guys, Sally here. I'm the drone girl. I just got my hands on the new Action 2 camera from DJI. It came out this week and I really wanted to show it to you. Unfortunately, it's raining outside where I think this thing works best, but many of you know that my other hobby besides drones is weightlifting, so I decided I would take it into my weightlifting gym to test it out. Let me show you how it works. Alright, so I brought a bunch of the accessories with me here to the gym. You can see here we've got some, but not all of the accessories. I have here my little tripod mount. I like it nice and tiny. This is just like a normal stand that I can attach and let it hang anywhere. This is a macro lens. I'm excited to try this out. Here's just a little connector mount so I can connect this to here is my selfie stick. And then these are super awesome. This is an extra power pack in case I run out of battery. And then I've also got my second power pack here, and this one's awesome because it's got this secondary screen so I can see myself in selfie mode. Camera view, but I'm about to put on this macro lens, and this will make everything look good in super close up. And I'm not kidding when I mean super close up. So it pops on just magnetically, so I'm gonna put it on right now. And you can see it's kind of blurry until I get super duper close to it. So this macro lens is probably not something that I would shoot in a traditional view, but it's amazing for a close-up view. Check out my gym skeleton. And when you get close, look at that incredible detail on this guy. I could see this being great for something like food photography. So you can use this DJI MIMO app to record and adjust your settings. You can see things like less than 10% battery remaining right here. And then of course you can see I'm recording right now, which gives me a live view. This is pretty trippy. It's like the Matrix. I could definitely see myself using this camera to record my own lifts, which is something that a lot of weightlifters want to do, so you can review your footage. It's pretty cool that you can even shoot in slow-mo, which could also be helpful in reviewing your footage. Of course, I can also use it to video my friends. What's up, Jordan? I love it. Alright guys, I gotta say, all in all, I love having this little guy with me. Here in the gym, I can see myself with the live view in the front. I can adjust all the settings. It's super small, super portable. I can't wait to take it outside when it stops raining, but for now, I gotta say, this is a great indoor camera as well. Tell me what you think in the comments, and if you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe. And of course, happy filming and happy flying.